Okay, to make things short, I highlighted here the important part of the data where we have the different throttle positions. Okay, so take a look. Currently it's 1.37, that's one half throttle, or one half throttle. Our air fuel is on 13:14 ratio. So see, uh, that's under one half, and then we're now proceeding to full throttle. That's 2.45 full throttle. Our air fuel ratio is 11.7. That means we are reach the ideal air fuel ratio is within the 12 to 13.5. That's the power mode of air fuel ratio. So we will go back here, show you around. We'll highlight again and play. So this is the data. Right, let's try to see what that looks like. Okay, idle position under 1/4 position, very lean. That's 1/4 throttle position, and then we're now proceeding to one half position, 14. That's one half. That's around 14. One half. See, that's 12.7. So that means one half position is our jet needle, so it's in a good setting. And then we will try the main jet. We'll check for the main jet here. Okay, this is the data for our main jet. That's the full throttle position. Now we will play the data. Okay, so 3/4 position. Take note, we are on 13.5. We're now proceeding to full throttle. Remember, 2.4 volts means full throttle position. Our air fuel ratio is 11.7. That's that's a little bit rich for our target air fuel ratio. Our target air fuel ratio should be on 12 to 13 or 12.5 to 13.5 air fuel ratio, which is the power mode. So that means since we are getting 11.7 air fuel ratio on the main jet, we have to reduce our main jet setting, main jet size. Probably we'll reduce it less 2.5 jet sizes. So that's how we use the Innovate LM2 air fuel ratio.